Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. My name's Tim, and this is Toenail Fabrications. What a wreck. 91! Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh god. Holy shit. Bad idea. Bad idea. Oh, welcome back, you guys. I didn't see you sitting there. First off, I want to apologize and thank my wife at the same time because I got in serious trouble because I thanked everybody in the world but her. So, honey, if you're watching, I apologize. I dropped the ball, and I'm sorry. Because if it wasn't for her, this car wouldn't have happened, this move wouldn't have happened, and ultimately my dream of being here on YouTube and talking to you guys probably wouldn't be here. So, thank you very much. Thank you for the support. You got to see her little tiny clip in the last episode. I want to give a shout out to my friend Tyler. He's in Oklahoma. He's watched both of my episodes and he's been giving me a lot of pointers. He's a lot more smarter than I am when it comes to computers. I don't know anything about editing and computers, if you can't tell. So he's been giving me a lot of pointers. Hopefully the content will come out a little bit better. I'm working on new audio equipment. I just got a GoPro 7 that I want to try with this build. So hopefully within these episodes, it'll get better and better and better. Like I said, if you guys see anything that you want me to change, my email is down in the description below. I'm going to try to put it down there so it's an easy copy and paste. And send me your info. I don't care if it's bad. Like, you guys mad at me, whatever. You know, I got thick skin, and if you don't know what Claiborne is, we could dish it, we could take it. So, thank you guys for coming. I also want to say, there's been another change in my shop. I got on 2 more people, Anthony and Corey. You guys seen the Demolition Brothers, the last episode. They're going to start helping me, so you're going to see 2 new faces in my videos. Thank you guys for coming out. We're working on more people to come out here to get this car done quicker. I do only have maybe a month and a half to have this car ready and to make our first race. Because this episode is very crucial. We want to finish getting everything off this dash. I got half of the dash done, but not everything I wanted to. We're going to start taking off the fenders, the bumper, the hood, the trunk, the doors. We're going to try to get this thing down so we could get the cage in this. And yeah, when we start getting fabricating, I'll definitely slow down so I can show you how I do my cuts, what I think, where I start, and my opinion on it. I want to say thank you to my Uncle Randy. I had to call my uncle because the rule book here says 1.5 inch 95 wall. And I thought that was pretty thin, but he explained to me that it is pretty tough. It is okay for this size car, so we're probably going to go ahead and use 1.5 inch. I might use something a little bit thicker around the cage, probably like a 125 wall, or who knows. Well, just probably the next size up is what we're going to do the cage, because I want to make sure we're safe in this car. It's me and you, because I'll make sure I have GoPros in here so you guys could get all the angles, what it looks like, and try to get you guys a feeling of what it's like to be behind a race car, starting in a mini stock. This video is shot by a bunch of untrained professionals, so do not try what we do at home. We are here for comedy. We are here for content, and make sure you follow everything, safety aspect. Like, don't ever put your head through a window. Videos everywhere showing people trying to take out a window with your head. It doesn't work. And plus, you got to watch out because glass in the eye and all that. So please don't do what we do around here. We're just doing it for your guys' laughter. Well, without further ado, let's get it working. Thank you guys.
What do you mean? We're pouring out?
Yeah.
We're pouring out?
Go ahead.
I see, I don't want this to... We can go put this in my car.
I ain't gonna lie to you. We got our first 5 gallons for race day. Come on, Anthony, let's get it. Woo! 91! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh god! Holy shit! Bad idea! Bad idea!
We need a big funnel.
Never mind.
You got 4 gallons now.
Okay, we thought about it. We made a huge mistake. We sat here for 2 minutes and we came up with a better plan. Come on, Anthony. Let's show them what's up. All right, 1 more minute of engineering. I think we got her. Maybe we might need another 2 more minutes, but let's see.
Oh.
Ready?
Yeah. All right.
Oh, baby.
Now we're cooking.
Oh, baby.
Recycling the gasoline.
This is a good 91, 100% gasolina.
Easy. Whoa, whoa. Pour the shit in there, boss. We got shit in our shit now.
Oh, did we?
A little shit, that's fine. So, because Toenail Fabrications is donating all of these 7.5 gallons worth of fuel, this here Ford Fusion 2012 metallic red cherry is going to run like a top dollar flight. We're talking 0 to 60 in 0.2 seconds. All right, this here right here gasoline. Okay, this ain't 91, this ain't 87, this ain't 89. This right here is 103 octane right here, gasolina. Okay, we're talking 0 to 60 in 1.7 seconds. Okay, we done went from 2 seconds to 1.7 in a matter of a snap of a finger. Okay, this is only Tennessee fuel though. You know, none of you Western people are gonna get this shit. Okay, unless you call me right here. Come on out here, Toenail Fabrications here in Muriel, Tennessee. But it is what it is. Okay, now this right here though is 110% gasolina from Mexico itself.
How's it going, guys? I just want to say thank you for stopping by and checking out our video. Remember, if this is something you like to watch, make sure you follow us, you hit that subscribe, and you hit that like button. That way we could keep our content coming. Until next time, this is me signing out. And then I got a message from the other guys.
So, here at Toenail Fabrications, we want to give a shout out to Timmy Tim, aka the boss. This here shotgun is sponsored by the one and only Toenail Fabrications.
I'm Corey. Nice to meet you.
This is how we get shit done.